Let's try some candy.
Hello again.
Hi.
I'm Dr. Jules.
And I'm Little Misdemeanor.
And we're the MerNerds.
Woo.
Yes, woo. And today we're going to try new stuff. So we went to the mall, because why not? And it's a strangely empty mall. Like, there aren't that many stores left. I feel like brick and mortar malls are like kind of a dying thing. And we were walking past, we were on our way to buy hand sanitizer, and we came upon this vending machine full of eyelashes. And it was big sparkly silver vending machine. So I was like, what's in there?
Yeah, you were.
And then you were like, I think it's eyelashes. I was like, no way. So
yeah, it's an eyelash vending machine.
Right, which is super weird for our mall just because of where we are. But in the vending machine were rows and rows of eyelashes.
At the very bottom row.
Yeah, they had something called an eyelash washer. Right, so like, of course we had to purchase all of these things. So get the washer.
Okay, which washer do we want?
Right.
I say we go for number 55.
Okay, because it's got a different sticker on it. Okay, all right. What is that? All right, well, we'll check this out more seriously when we get home. That looks like it's, okay.
It looks like a kid's toy.
It does look like a kid's toy. And so I think, you know, the eyelashes look like perfectly nice eyelashes, though. I'm not going to lie. I think they were probably overpriced, but you know, you pay for convenience. So this pair had a name like Mystique, I think, right?
Yeah, Mystique.
Do you remember what yours were called?
BFF.
Oh, that's cute. Okay. So these were $16 and those were 12, right?
Yes.
And they came in this cool packaging, and they look like a perfectly nice pair of eyelashes. There's a little brush in yours too. It's got like a little mascara brush, I think probably to harmonize it with your lashes, but there isn't any adhesive. So let's have a look at these.
Mine too.
Yeah, have a peek. So so it comes with a little mascara wand. And these are handy, I guess, to like place them and stuff. And they did have a kit that you could buy that had the little tweezer holders and stuff, and it may have had adhesive. Did it have adhesive in it?
Yeah, I think it did.
Okay. That was $10, and so we didn't get that because I have a latex allergy, and so I have to use my own adhesive anyway. But yeah, so here's a better look at these, the Mystique lashes. And if you flip it open, it's a really cool package actually. You can see there they are. And there's even this little ribbon to pull the little package out.
Oh, yours came with adhesive.
I'm sure it did.
That's why it was $4 more.
You think? Oh, you didn't get any adhesive. Okay.
Yeah.
So I don't know anything about this adhesive though. Wait a second. It's eyeliner.
Oh, I'll take it.
Okay. But I think what's weird about it is that there's no ingredients. There's nowhere to tell me what's in. I don't know anything about this eyeliner, right?
Wait, maybe it's magnetic.
It seems like it would say that. These don't look like magnet lashes.
Wait, can
Do
I
you
see?
see?
Real quick?
It didn't say that on the description in the vending machine, did it?
Oh, they are.
So you think this is a magnetic eyelash? So here's my
Look.
only concern with this. Okay, so you're right. This is a magnetic eyelash. Only, oh my gosh, it is. And it seems like a nice one that's got a bunch of magnetic connections. So I guess I'll show that close up. But I think,
Look at all the hairs.
so I'm going to take a guess that this is magnetic eyeliner. So the catch is that I don't know anything about it. Like there are no ingredients anywhere. There's no, it doesn't say anything. Like if I had an allergy, I wouldn't know. So that's kind of stressful. I'm willing to put this on my hand to try it out. But it seems really odd that I was unable to distinguish this being magnetic from the ones that were not. Like it didn't say that on the description, did it?
Yeah, it didn't.
Like when you poked on each one, it just took it like to the thing where it said buy it or don't, right? It didn't have any like more and okay. But yours,
Mine are normal.
okay. I honestly have not had terrific luck with the magnetic eyelashes. I don't usually bother. I just do.
If there are latex in those, then I could use it. But
I don't think there's latex in the eyeliner, but
I hope not.
right. So should we try it on my hand?
Oh, sure.
I'll make it a little wing. Woo.
Oh, a little wing.
You can. Well, here, dip it again. There you go.
There.
Oh, perfect. It looks gorgeous. See? Look. Gorgeous. All right,
Are we
so
gonna try and stick the eyelash to it?
yeah, that's my plan. Let it dry though. So let's give it a minute. I don't know how long you're supposed to wait because I don't usually
I've
do
never done these.
magnet liner. So then yours just are standard eyelashes,
Yeah.
and we have our own adhesive. So these are nice. They've got like personally, I like the eyelashes that are not just one even fan. I like them to be a little, variety like this. Like, so some are longer and some are, and I even like them when they're a little feathery and crossed. So these are nice. I would wear these.
I think mine's ready.
So, all right. So here, let's take this out of here.
'Cause I was like,
So be gentle with them.
I know. I was like, wait, there are 2 bands to
And
it.
you can, there's a little magnetic strip in there to hold them to the, all right.
I don't know how to get them out.
All right.
They're
So
very
there's a little
big.
strip to hold them into the container.
Oh, it's
I'm
magneting.
not sure about that.
It's magneting a little.
Okay, so mine is not sticking at all. I mean, like, kind of, but like, okay, a little bit. Okay, it's sticking.
Oh, mine's too. Look.
Is it sticking? So I don't know that I would feel really, because these are a big lash and I'm only getting a little bit of
Of a stick.
a stick. And so it's true that my hand is not curved like my eye.
Look. Mine like magnets down.
Oh, neat. Okay.
Lee.
Yeah, mine is not really sticking. I don't know if I just didn't use enough eyeliner.
You could just not use the magnet stuff. You can always just glue it.
Well, the thing is now they're heavy because they have magnets in them. So it seems silly to not use the... I don't know. I really like the way these lashes look. And I don't know. I'm not sure I'm willing to put that eyeliner on though because I don't know anything about it.
Yeah.
Oh, and then the funny thing was that there was a website on the vending machine, and when I went to it, it said coming soon. So like there isn't even any way to,
Check the ingredients.
yeah, there's no ingredients listed. There's like nothing on here. That seems risky to do as a business owner. So I'm assuming this is just somebody's private person just decided to do this and make a vending machine with eyelashes. And maybe it needs a little work. So, all right. So the lashes seem nice. I guess I didn't realize I bought magnetic lashes.
Yeah.
Weird. But then in the bottom row of the vending machine was this thing that said eyelash wash.
Yep.
And so it's this cute little washing machine. And I think I've seen these in the past. So I'm trying to figure out what the mechanism is on the inside. There's like a little,
There's just
a little like agitator, I guess. And I've seen these where you're supposed to wash your cosmetic sponges in them. but I've never seen anyone say they were for eyelashes before. And I guess what I don't understand necessarily is, oh, thank you. They is how do you wash an eyelash? Like, what is that a thing that you do? Like, I know that it would be nice to get the glue off of them sometimes, but what do I put in here with it? There's been no instructions with this. They came without a box, just dropped out of the machine like this. There's a place for batteries. It didn't come with batteries. And the screwdriver was tricky. It involved a screwdriver to put the batteries in. Should I put batteries in it?
Yes.
Okay.
So we're gonna try it to see if it works.
Yeah,
but
so
we don't have the instructions.
Yeah.
So we're not sure how it works. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna try.
Well, we're gonna put an old pair of lashes that I decided I didn't need to save in it for starters. Because I didn't want to sacrifice a pair of like good lashes that I liked.
What were we gonna do? We're gonna put soap and water in it? Or we're gonna
We can start with water.
Yeah, and if we
Do you want to push the button and see if it does something?
Yeah, it spins.
Okay, so it spins. It spins pretty fast. I can just picture the eyelashes getting all tangled around it.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put some water in it. And then, oh my gosh.
It spins.
Like, really spins the water. So, I don't know if there's any way to, I have to hit this from a different angle. All right, hold on.
I'm gonna add a little more water. No, actually, no.
You can if you like. I don't see any harm in it, but I was gonna say, like, let me take a quick phone video from above, just because I feel like it spins a lot. Just 1 second.
Sounds like a toilet.
Will you turn it off? Okay. Oh, that seems really, really fast. Like, I don't know if that seems too fast for eyelashes. Okay, so, all right, let's put the eyelashes in there. So there's one eyelash. And there's 2 eyelashes. Or maybe we're supposed to do them one at a time.
Ooh, I hope
That
not.
doesn't seem very handy.
Okay.
So should we?
Separate.
Okay. So
No, I'm not
leave it
gonna
open so I
close
can
it.
see. I don't feel like it's super dangerous to leave it open.
They're sucked into
It
water.
looks like I flushed it down the toilet. Like, it's super weird. Oh. Okay.
I don't know. I kind of want to look now.
What they look like?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Oh, no. I don't know if that's...
Oh wait, they're fine. They're just stuck
Okay.
together. Ooh.
Well, I mean...
Well, I mean, the eyelashes themselves are, well, they're fine.
But are they cleaner?
I
Like, do we really feel like this was a useful exercise?
don't know. I want to put in some soap and see if that feels cleaner.
I mean, all right. But I will say that having gotten them all wet, they've lost their arced shape, which is going to make them harder to put on. So you put soap in there?
Yeah.
This is some hand soap. This is what we have handy. I guess we could probably put, like, makeup brush cleaner or something, but I don't know if that's appropriate. Okay. Hold on. No, wait.
I don't mean to close that.
Okay, no, just wait. Okay. All right, so this is with soap.
Oh, it's getting sudsy.
Mm-hmm.
It's not making as much noise.
Yeah, yeah.
Suds.
Okay.
I can't see it. I just gotta go in there. Ooh.
Yeah, I don't know if
Should I
that's
dip it in the
ideal.
water?
Yeah, go ahead. Give it a rinse. You can fish it out with one of these. That doesn't look super happy.
I'm gonna just leave it on there.
Oh, you got it? Okay.
Boom.
So now we've washed the tiny washing machine.
I don't know. I feel like it might work.
It's never occurred to me to wash my eyelashes. And this is an $11 washing machine. I feel like,
Well, they look clean.
okay. I mean, I'm not mad about it, but I think
Do they look
they're
sick?
kind of stuck together. Do they look like $11 clean?
Well, I'm gonna have to say no. Well, wait. Hold on. Wait, let go.
Okay.
Hold on. There's no glue on that one.
Well, why is there still glue on this one?
Well, let's wash it more. Seems like the reasonable thing. I like watching it.
Maybe you could put a makeup remover in there?
I don't know. I feel like it works. Oh, maybe when you dry it, you're supposed to like stick it to the thing.
Maybe. I mean, that makes sense.
I don't know. I'm not as mad about it now.
Well, I just don't know. Okay.
You know what? It's making me happy.
No, that's terrific. And I think you could probably wash like a makeup sponge in here if you wanted.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Do we have one handy?
Yes.
All right. So there's definitely still glue on this.
Let me see.
I just feel like for the amount of effort we've put in and time, that this has not been a particularly useful endeavor.
Was all this one? Is all the eyelashes' fault?
I don't know why you're sticking up for this cheesy plastic washing. No. You're gonna put your sponge in and it's gonna displace the work. Hold on. Okay, so. All right,
Just gotta crank it up. There are buttons on it. I'm not crazy, I promise.
Okay, so now you're gonna put your sponge in there. Yes, that's super helpful. Maybe close the lid.
No, this is so sad. I think there should be less water.
No, it's working. See, it's spinning around. It's totally.
Yeah, because I started to lift up the lid.
That's okay. This is weird.
It's working.
I gotta say though, for having shoveled $39 into this vending machine, not super convinced that I got a good deal. These lashes look, I don't know. No, the thing is that in order to get the glue off lashes, you need kind of a solvent, right? So
Maybe
like eye makeup remover does that, and like.
Maybe if we put the solvent in there, it would work.
Right, but I don't know that you don't normally need that much solvent, right? You just put like a little puddle of it. And... What are you doing?
Oh, I'm gonna try it again.
What are we trying again? The sponge?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so definitely not working for the sponge.
I wanted it to
Well, I guess
work.
if we had tiny sponges, they could go in there. Yeah, I don't think I don't really see the utility of this appliance. Like, this is not...
It's leaking.
Oh, great. And it leaks. So I'm glad that we have this tray. So, okay. Not the best.
Not efficient.
No, not a fan. And as to the lashes, I guess I'm willing to try these, but I'm not willing to try them with this eyeliner because I don't know anything about it. I think it's really dodgy to sell eyeliner that you have to put ingredients of cosmetics. Like you can't, like legally, I think you have to put the ingredients of cosmetics. And you definitely can't use these without the eyeliner.
Oh, you could use them with the stuff, but it would be heavier.
Right.
The
I don't want to
normal-
glue magnetic lashes on. That doesn't make sense. Right. But I did like the shape of the lashes, so I wish I could use them.
Yeah.
So the other thing is that the magnets always go way to the end of the lashes. And I usually trim my lashes because they're usually too long for me. And do I just cut off that last magnet? Like, that doesn't feel right. I guess haven't been able to convert to the magnetic lashes. I also don't like people telling me what kind of eyeliner to use. Well, I'm limited by what will stick to the stuff. Oh, that's really nice. Maybe time to do the laundry for your brushes and stuff. We should do that.
Probably.
Yeah. Okay. Well, this has been fun. Just be aware if you see a vending machine with eyelashes in it in your mall. That doesn't seem like a good idea. Be aware that, I don't know.
Be aware that, well, this is what
I don't know that this is a $12 pair of eyelashes. And that's okay because it came out of a vending machine. Okay. But the whole thing is like, warn people if it's going to be a magnetic pair of eyelashes.
So if it comes in a gold box, I guess it's magnetic.
No, because there were, you're saying everything in there was magnetic that had a gold box? Because they were like, a third of them had gold boxes. Okay. Okay. So, and they've like, these are branded like the machine, which is, goes to a website that did not have a website yet. So, that's interesting. Yeah. So, okay. Yeah. I think maybe the next time I see a weird looking vending machine, I will definitely try to visit the websites before I put my credit card into it. Cause who knows? Yeah, for all I know, they like, just are harvesting credit card numbers. Better watch my statement. All right. Well, that was fun.
Yeah.
So like and follow for more fun reviews. And I'm Dr. Jules.
And I'm a little misdemeanor.
And we're the MerNerds.
See you all next time.
Mm-hmm.